Hi my love, so this morning our exercises is about side plank variation. I will give you 5 exercises for the side plank variation, and these exercises is to target your core and your multiple muscle of your body. Now, let's go. Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel of blessing. Exercise number 1 is side kick in 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, 10. Good. That's it. And exercise number 2 is side crunch. In 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Gas. In 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Whew. Exercise number 3, side oblique twist. Whew. You can do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, because in 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Woo! Alright. Round two. So, if possible, my love, ayaw, don't drop your body, okay? This is the challenge that don't drop your body. Kung mahimo, pero kung dili jud, pwede raman pod. But if you want a really challenging, my love, so just hold your body as much as you can, okay? In round two, we gotta make 15 seconds in each exercise. Okay, so round one, 10 seconds na to siya. And now in round two, 15 seconds each exercise. Okay? Okay? Now, we can do this. Right. Let's go, let's go, let's go. In three, two, one. Side kick. In three, two, one. Oh, mali. One, two, three, 8. Engage your abs. 9, 10. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 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 yes. In 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Rest. In 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Engage your abs. 5. 10 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. 9, 10. Oh. Right, right, right. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh. Wait. Right, stretch na to Exercise number 4. Okay. Side, lap, this. 3, 4. You can do this. You can do this. 5. 6. Continue. We can do this. 7. You can do this. 8. 9. Oh, makagigil. 10. 5 more, 5 more. We can do this. 1. 2. Nasa ba? 3. 4. Yay! 5. So, round 2 lang sa taha. So, round 2 lang sa tataman, my love. Kay, bugatas ang lawas. Bugat ako lawas, my love. Bugat ako lawas. Ang bigat-bigat ng katawan ko, my love. Tapos, ang sakit pa dito. Dapat may... So, moto nga to ang side plank variation. 2 rounds sa takutob. Next time na po, mag 3 rounds ka kung kaya sa energy, okay? So, yeah. Thanks for watching, my love. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell for notification. Don't forget to like and share because sharing is caring. So, kita-kits next time, my love. So, hopefully, makapadayong ta sa ato ang round 3. Kaysa pagkaroon, di makaya, my love. Dili na to pugso na tong lawas kung dili kaya, okay? Hinahinay lang, basta kanon na.